Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to set DNS for domain to connect your domain with the hosting. So let's start. My domain is in Namecheap account. So I'll go to my domain and click on manage. After that, you can see here named servers, Namecheap basic DNS. So in my case, I don't have my hosting in Namecheap. So I'll go with custom DNS and I'll write here my hosting DNS here, CP1 and CP2, and I'll update that. So once you will update that, it will take up to 48 hours to apply these. Sometimes it take more than that, up to 72 hours, and sometimes it will up before that. So this is it. You can set DNS by this by following these steps. So good luck, guys. If you are curious session, feel free to comment below, subscribe, and like the video.